please. Carrie, you're the best. Oh, dear God. It's gonna hurt. Carrie, aren't we supposed to focus on the light? What is going on?
Sorry. Trying to back up.
Remember 40-year-old version?
You have nowhere near that much hair.
Oh, no. That's what I'm saying. Like, he actually did that. Like, in real...
He did.
Yeah.
It would make it better.
Oh, it did. Yeah, the redness was like, yeah. That's just crazy. Oh, no, I was just getting my Instagram moment.
You're talking.
Sorry. It has to be sideways.
Oh, shit.
Sorry.
Wait, did it move? Oh, you just text me. But this is pretty good wax. I like it.
I know. It's good wax.
I think it'll be enough.
I mean, it's more than
kind of hard.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, just don't go crazy today. Are you doing the wax on Saturday or is she?
I think I'm about to tell you
Okay.
if I feel comfortable enough to do it.
Yeah, my waxing
Like when I'm done with
skills.
him. Because right now this is fun. I'm enjoying this. I don't always enjoy waxing. Sometimes I'm like failing miserably, but
Oh, she's doing great. I mean, this is awesome.
You know why? It's because it's soft wax. I do awful with hard wax so far. But also I learned it's because the hard wax that I bought.
Mm-hmm.
You always use a different one.
You
It's
can't put it back in the pot.
cross-contamination, yeah.
Even though it's hot enough to kind of melt diseases,
The lady that
but
does my Mimi always uses the same freaking stick.
No, she doesn't.
Yes, she does.
Oh,
when Mimi
don't
does
go
my
to her.
eyebrows, she
Oh,
puts
wow.
the stick.
I don't go. I haven't been there in
I
like 20
promise
years.
you,
I hate her.
promise you. That's why I said what she was using so many. That's why I was
Mimi.
like, what?
Yeah,
It's all right. You are
cut that
fine.
out.
You are fine.
Oh hell no, that's not right.
Ooh,
How you feel?
I felt it.
Yay!
Wow, my trophy.
You know your hair is kind of.
I get to hold it. Can I,
Oh Lord.
can I take it with
I'm
me?
throwing it away now. He's like, oh.
You want to
You want to take it?
I did. It's been
You'll get
it's been 12 years since I've done this. It's been
For
a while.
real?
Yeah, because in school we have to. We all gotta.
Yeah.
Thank you. Are you
You gotta
getting
take
this?
it at an angle so you can't see the back of the leg.
No, it's perfect. I like it. I didn't know it was gonna be that silky smooth or, you hook me up. All right, we do this leg.
I see it.
No, just. Oh, you already applied the oil to this leg?
Yeah.
What?
I did the aloe.
You did, but I was like this. Yeah, you did.
Do you want a little more?
No, it's. She did it already. Yeah, so
Jessica is gonna do your massage tomorrow, so you'll get
Oh,
pampered
man.
tomorrow.
I'm trying to, it's like you almost have to know somebody on the board these days to get shit passed. They all want money. So if they ain't got the money up front, like, no, we can't work with you. It's all status, it's all your credit score. My credit score pretty good, but I don't have any money. I have a savings, but I don't have money. So when you do go to the bank, that's why people take out loans in the bank. So you can open up a Massage MV, a Red Door, whatever it is that you're going to open, because the first thing that investor or franchisor is going to ask for is, hey, what type of deposit do you have? What type of collateral do you have? How am I going to get my investment back if I loan you this money? And so I don't have any assets just yet. Hope to get a house and some land, property, something like that. Because then if you go to the bank with property, your car's already paid for, zero credit card debt or little, oh yeah, they give you like $1 million, $500,000 loan. That's not a million. Because it's like, yeah, you're easy to work with. You actually have money, and then you can pay us back because they make you sign that contract that says if you default on this loan, we can come after your bank account or we can come after your assets. So the more assets you have, yeah, you can do whatever the fuck you want. So when people get mad at rich people for doing what they do, I'm like, no, if I was a bank, I would probably get on the money too, because they're going to bring you more money. You're going to profit. And we're just calming the skin down, calming the skin down. Oh, I said it like that twice. do to your hair? It's all nice and silky smooth.
I just
What's
washed
going
those.
on?
Wash this.
That's very
I started
nice.
using this new leave-in conditioner that I've never
Mhm.
used, and I like that. It's probably what it is.
It's nice. Not saying you didn't have nice hair before. You know.
Mm-mm.
Oh, do you mind if we do the back, like a back facial?
Oh, that's fine.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Give me back facial if you want.
Yay. Is it too steamy? Okay, I'll turn the air on. I don't 85. 85? That's like saying outside.
It was 85 in here.
That's why I was burning up. Like, yo, why am I sweating this? I don't sweat that much. But today,
Oh, you're
with her
thinking
was-
it's in the stock room. I should have brought it.
oh no, I'm fine now. It was just working on her. I was like, oh my god, I'm dripping sweat everywhere. But
Just so you know, I'm sorry. Just so you know, I'm not sick. I have allergies, so if I'm coughing or whatever, that's why. And I apologize in advance.
Alex, please stop.
Okay.
Stop playing around.
I don't want you to be like, oh my god,
God.
girl.
If it's my time to die, it's my time to die.
That's what I say. I'm like, I say God's will. I'm like, hey,
Exactly.
God's will.
Right. I'll be in heaven quicker. Well, okay, make it. I know I will. I know. I think even the worst person, if they repent, you know what I mean? Like at the time of judgment, I think you still do have a chance to say, you know what? Are they going to do that? Probably not. Because they like hell or being evil. But I do believe that there's always some sort of rebound. So like, hey, you come to heaven.
There's some sort of good in everybody,
Right.
even if it's molested.
But it's up to them to recognize it. Like, you can't walk into heaven thinking like, oh, well, it's a little bit of good in me. Let me in. No. You have to say what you were sorry for. Or, you know what I mean? So maybe not on earth you were sorry. You know, maybe once you start seeing the glory or the goodness, like, oh, wait a minute.
But that's when I think people are reincarnated and they get another chance. Like, if they really done fucked up
Right.
and they get another chance, I think that's when they're given kind of like a shitty situation in their next life, but a chance to make it better.
I agree, because yeah, sometimes we get dealt bad cards. You know what I mean? Like bad parents, bad atmosphere, or environment. So yeah, you're exactly right. I agree, 100%.